The collaboration between Austrian motorcycle manufacturer KTM and German Uber tuner Brabus unveiled their second round of partnership, following the success of their first. The Brabus 1300R Edition 23 is the latest model to be added to their roster, which comes as an upgrade to the limited edition Brabus 1300R model that sold out in a mere 2 minutes. While the previous model doubled the price of the Super Duke and was limited to only 154 units, the new and improved version is expected to be available in 290 units, with a few detail changes to the formula. The exterior of the Brabus 1300R Edition 23 boasts an array of tweaks and replacements, ranging from a round LED headlight and shorter handlebars to revised mirrors that extend outward from the heated grips. The jewelry bits, such as the bar levers, fork triple clamp foot pegs, and reservoir caps, were all produced using CNC machinists, while the fairing's carbon fiber weave is exposed in the Edition 23. The diamond-stitched black seat is adorned with the Brabus badge, and the upswept tail is thin and terminates in a reshaped pillion seat made for balance beam experts. The WP Apex adaptive suspension has 5 preset damping modes and an auto mode that keeps the trellis frame steady over Monoblock Z 9-spoke forged wheels in a new platinum black finish. The front rotors are clamped by Brembo Stylema monobloc calipers, while the rear rotor is worked by Brembo twin calipers. The 1.3-liter V-twin engine, rated at 180 horsepower and 103 pound-feet of torque, remains unchanged and is still breathing through a Brabus dual-pipe slip-on. The Brabus MSRP Edition 23 will be available in all grayscale, with the choices being stealth gray or super black, and each one will be produced in 145 examples. Last year's colorways were Magma Red or Signature Black, and each version was produced in 77 examples. Orders for the Brabus 1300R Edition 23 can be made through a dedicated site set up by KTM with an MSRP of $45,564. In summary, the Brabus 1300R Edition 23 is a testament to the saying, "If it ain't broke, don't fix it," as it retains the powerful engine of the previous model while incorporating a range of tweaks and upgrades to the exterior. With its limited availability and high demand, the Brabus 1300R Edition 23 is sure to be a sought-after addition to any motorcycle enthusiast's collection.